one of the things we also think about in Venture South is what the exit might be for investors coming in early on. So do you have a plan to be a independent brand for 80 years, or are there ways that investors can seek to get their money out at some point?
Well, Charles and I joke about it because, like I said, he's very much a historian and he's a romantic for the brand. He's followed it for 30 years plus and always had his eye on it. If you ask him, he'll run it until he's 125 years old, and that's right off into the sunset with one of the ships. But no, I think once we build this and once we start scaling, and there's certainly an opportunity we believe to exit. We've done some simulations with potential investment levels and what that might look like after a 5-year buyout, and we're happy there. But I think our goal is, if we can, when we get to those 3 ships in 5 years, and we're running the way that we anticipate that we are, then we're going to have a pretty strong case and look pretty attractive for an acquisition.
Probably not going to be wanting to be acquired by a big cruise line though, by Carnival or something. So
No,
got to find somebody that will keep your brand independent and keep this ethos going for the
yeah, I
future.
think I could talk Charles into selling before he turns 125, but I think it would be hard to convince either one of us to to compromise our brand like that and what we're trying to build.